Yeah, there's a seesaw. There's climbing.
So hi guys, this is my vlog, but mom is asleep because I can't do her vlog. So
Welcome back to our channel mga kachika. Lalabas kami, pupunta kami, magsiswimming kami. Kaya magbablog tayo, yeah. Tinanggal na tayo sa yung tali niya. Good is fine.
This is for my goggles. I'm wearing my goggles.
You don't need to wear it now.
I don't want it. Are you ready to go to water park? I don't.
Why you take it up your hair tie, Lisa? Yeah.
It's a bed. It's a bed. I'm excited.
Bihis na pala ako. Lagay ako ng swimsuit. Okay, mukhang busy man doon sa swimming nila. Swimming pool. Ang gawin na lang. Pool.
Are you ready to go to water park? Are you going to Apple Park?
Pool. Yeah, pool. Spa. Now where we going back? See here now. That's the bathroom.
That's a change room.
This is gym.
This is gym. This is gym. Apple Park. We're going to Apple Park.
Oh, did you have fun, Lina?
Yeah.
We really had fun mga kachika. Yeah, huminto na kami siguro mga matagal-tagal din kami doon sa sa may swimming pool, nag-fun. Kasi may water, may slides ba sila mga kachika na malaki. Pati ako nag-enjoy din ako eh. Minsan-minsan lang magano kaya. Yeah. Oh. Mag-enjoy din tayo ba? Kasi paminsan-minsan lang naman makaganito. Ligo.
Not bad, is it?
No.
Hour away.
That's good. Very good. And it's not that far mga kachika. They got swimming pool, they have slides, they have playground. Kaya really enjoy talaga. At saka 1 hour lang yung biyahe papunta dito. Naghanap kami ng place na lang kasi nga barak sana namin na hindi na lang kami aalis na sana kasi nga si-celebrate si Alina ng kanyang birthday. Naghanap talaga kami ng place ba na mas mura-mura talaga. Okay, yun nahanap namin to yung place na ito. Kaya nandito kami. Mas mura compare sa ibang mga place. Hindi naman din ibig sabihin na mura, hindi mo na ma-enjoy or mahal, mas ma-enjoy mo. Depende lang din kasi yan sa place na pupuntahan natin. Kahit wala naman, malayo siya sa beach, pero may swimming pool. Ito pala yung mga swimsuit namin. Ito.
How come, Lisa? You always want to...
I know.
It's an obsession.
Open na lang.
Why I can't?
Okay, push.
Oh.
Pag sa bahay man, me first, me first.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Everywhere. Pag dito, kailangan siya din.
Okay, yeah.
Mag-ready lang kayo mga kachika kasi kakain din kami ng dinner. Sarap ng buhay mga kachika ba pag ka-holiday ka. Kasi wala kang isipin na lulutuin. Hindi mo isipin kung ano yung ulamin nyo for tonight. O ulamin nyo bukas ng umaga. Anong kakainin nyo bukas ng umaga. Anisa, tawang-tawa sa pinapanood niya. Lagay na, your turn na.
Thing.
Yeah. What it only sa it's cold outside. Binali ko lang yung mga sinuot namin kasi sinuot ko lang kung papunta kami sa ano, yung mag-swimming mga kachika ba. Kalimutan ko pala magdala. Kalimutan. Hindi pala, meron pala akong pangtulog. Magdala pala ako ng
I
pangtulog.
want to do it.
Daw, sidaw. Sidaw.
Lisa.
Okay, sige, okay na.
You don't let me do it.
Later, your turn.
I want to do it to like top.
Tara. It's cold now. Yan pala yung reception nila. Dito tayo. Sa Alina. Uy, binuo ko. Patunog-tunog talaga ni Alina. That's for breakfast tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, meron din pala silang ganyan mga kachika. Ano man tawag dyan?
Can I have some chips? I want some chips.
Oh, yeah.
Chips.
Grilled chicken strips. That'll be alright.
I want chips, Mama. I want some chips.
Yeah, that's it.
No, this one, guys.
That's good. You want fish fingers?
Yeah, I want fish.
How about chicken?
What's that? Dito kami nakaupo mga kachika. Kung ano pa yan dyan. Tingin muna tayo dito. Dali, be. Ang ganda nito. Sobrang laki. Gym yata yun to dyan. Fun zone. Doon na si Mr. Nag-order na si Mr. ng aming food. Yeah, Daddy's coming. Daddy's going to get chips. Look at that. Thank you.
Taste it. I made it in Spanish.
Spanish?
Dada, I want
Oh my God, it's cold.
Taste
Okay,
it.
it's coming. It's coming. Food is coming.
Smell. It's not very light.
Light. Ito na yung food. Yeah. Just ketchup na lang. And the cutlery. Ito naman kay Mr. Yeah, you can have that. Share mo ni Alisa. You can have that chicken. And then ito naman kay Alisa. We got pizza din mga kachika. Yes, thank you.
Enjoy.
Food.
Yeah. 4,
Or
9,
nice.
12,
I want a baby one.
You get baby one.
4, 9.
Thank you. Get beer. Kain tayo mga kachika. Tikman natin yung kanilang pizza. Freshly baked na pizza. Homemade pizza. Homemade pizza.
That's alright. Huh?
Hey. Kain.
Pizza.
Mm.
There's a water there.
Ayan, it's closed now. Yeah, there's nobody's there. Diyan mga kachika ba, diyan kami kanina. So for sobrang enjoy kami. Yeah, tomorrow. It's closed now, baby. Tara, let's go. They close it now, see? Water park is closed.
Oh, sorry. Oopsie.
Okay, go. Dinalhin namin yung aming mga kachika, pizza. Kaya marami pa natira. Meron pang 5 slices. Baka mamaya hihingi yung mga bata ba. Okay. Punta muna kami dito sa park. Hindi naman talaga park. Yung maliit lang na playground ng mga bata.
If you want to go somewhere, you need to go now. I saw people going now when I'm watching.
Yeah, tractor. Ganda nito kay sobrang quiet mga kachika ba. Malayo-layo kasi siya sa city center. Madin super layo. Pero quiet ba? Peaceful. Alin na. Yeah, ganyan lang naman. Maliit lang din yung kanilang Yeah, there's a seesaw. There's climbing. How about here? Here, oh. Here. Huh? I'm cold as well because I had cold beer. Here, the free play for while it's still bright. 5 minutes.
You don't care. They stay here all night.
Oh yeah, they will. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Nilalamig ako kay malamig talaga mga kachika, lalo nag-inom ako ng beer na malamig pa. Ay, I'm shaking.
Hold me, please, Mama.
You want me to swing you, Daddy? Huh?
What?
I swing you?
No. You need fresh air.
Yeah, we need air.
Cute. Now we're talking.
Selena.
Now we're talking. Lazy bugger.
Dito ulit tayo sa kusina kasi hinugasan ko yung ginawan namin kayo ng tea mga kachika ba kasi magpapagawa ulit si Mr. ng tea. Masama din pakiramdam niya ba. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng paracetamol kasi kaya nang umaga pa yan siya mga kachika. Parang kagabi pa yan siya na parang sabi niya na maano daw yung lalamunan niya and then yung din kaya nang umaga parang sa Bisaya pa pinkot ba yung ilong niya, sniffy, ganun sa English. Tapos kalimutan ko magdala ng paracetamol. Meron akong vitamins namin, vitamins ng mga bata. Meron din akong Calpol, nagdala ako ng Calpol nila just in case. Pero yung sa amin, nakalimutan ko talaga mga kachika. Sabi niya na masama nga yung pakiramdam niya ngayon. Di naman yan siya naligo kanina mga kachika sa swimming pool kasi nilalamig siya sa tubig kasi yung tubig talaga hindi naman din super warm. Pero okay rin naman na mag-swimming ganun. Hindi naman talaga din super, as in lamig na lamig yung tubig doon. Kaya naman mag-swimming, kaya nakapag-swimming ako. Usually hindi talaga ako nag-swimming ba. Pero pag sa mga swimming pool, kaya kong mag-swimming. Kasi nasa loob naman siya ng building. So ako, iinom lang ako ng tubig na mainit. Inaantok na din ako mga kasi parang napagod ako sa, kasi diba, nagtrabaho pa ako kayo na. Tapos, pagdating sa bahay, dami pa namin ginawa, ni-ready. Tapos travel dito. 1 oras lang naman din yung travel papunta dito. Tapos, yung din naman yung, yun nga, napagod ako sa pag-swimming namin. Akyat ba pa sa water slides. Yun yung nakapang sa akin, nanghina yung katawan ko, inantok na talaga ako pa, pero parang gusto ko pa din na mag-edit ako ng video or hindi ko alam, mag-iinom na lang yata ako ng tubig na maligam-gam. Kaya nilalamig din ako. Tapos mag-toothbrush na lang yata yung mga bata. Toothbrushan ko na din yun. Okay na yun sila. Papatulogin ko na yun. Kaya inaantok na din ako ba. I got your tea, Daddy. Masarap yung tubig kasi nilalamig ako. Ito pala yung pizza. Masarap ang pizza nila mga kachika. Homemade siya. Dinayan namin yung ibang chips kasi parang nga sa mga bata ba. Just in case na alam nyo na yung mga bata ay hilig maghingi-hingi. Dahin ko na lang to doon sa loob. Kasi nandoon sila. Oh, I got your tea. Daddy. Tea here.
You don't get anything sweet? Like chocolate or something?
No.
Any biscuits there? They're not biscuits.
Only the Filipino biscuit. That's it.
No, maybe.
Brioche. You want brioche?
Chocolate, Mama.
Nanghingi si Alisa ng hot chocolate. Wala mang ano dito, hot chocolate. Tingnan natin, coffee lang naman to. Asukal. Walang hot chocolate eh. Ito lang naman yung hinanda nila para sa mga bata, squash. Hindi talaga sa mga bata kasi kahit mga adult umiinom man yan dito. Wala eh. Ako nagdala ng hot chocolate kasi pag sa bahay nga, gagawa ako ng hot chocolate. Di man iniinom. Nasasayang lang palagi. Mas marami pa yung nasasayang kaysa naiinom. We got no hot chocolate, baby. Pag-eat na lang fruits.
Okay, I'll go get something.
Get something.
Get some sweet.
Nahingi si Mr. ng sweets. Wala man akong dalang sweets. Ito lang naman. Bigay natin to yung sobra ni Alina. Kakainin niya to. Oh. Uy. Leftover.
Constantly trying to push people back. But on the right hand side where we are, people are trying to flank round through the woodland.
You in the phone? Who's in the phone? You don't know, eh? Ka-beautiful man mo sa, oy, puri buyag. Okay, say hello to the phone. Who's there? See who's there? See who is there? Ayun na.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it now. Let me see. I'm just do vlogging, Alisa, not that. So hi guys, it's my vlog, but Mom is asleep because I can't do her vlog. So yeah, and Alisa's here, so she's vlogging. Say hi. I need to get to Mom. Yeah, she was asleep in there, and this one is down here. Let's have a, hang on. So yeah. I was asleep, but I wanted to vlog. So Lisa wanted to vlog it. So we at the hotel. This hotel, you remember I was swimming? That's the hotel. Not this hotel, it's the white building. Remember? Pop. Then pop it, pop out. You need to pop. When you can use the hotel. Pop! You did it? Right, now. I mean, not that. Wait. Yeah, we don't want to let's do that. Okay, so if Mum saw that, I'm gonna have a big toy. So yeah, Mum is just asleep and don't watch the TV. Then this is all. This will show you around. Okay. Give it a break. So Mum was sleeping here. There's the TV there. There's the outside. Definitely night here. That's the white building here. So I'm asleep here. Shooting. And Daddy's watching Rabbit. Also the kitchen. They got pizza from me today. We did go swimming pool, but Lisa, look, say hi to the grandma. Okay, I need to sleep now. Oh, just hold on. Is that it there? There's Elisa. Here, I say hi. She don't want to. There's the mirror. There's the mirror. That's the mirror. I always face in the mirror. That's the. So I'm gonna turn it back. Wait. So that's the mirror. So we need to get the. Tomorrow is my birthday, and then you need more. If Mum's vlogging tomorrow, you can vlog as my birthday. But it's not in the whole day. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna have breakfast. No, okay. We all gonna open our presents. Then have. Oh my God, I forgot. Have breakfast, swimming pool, dinner. That's it. Dinner. Then, so that's the end of the video. Then, bye-bye.